What will be the iPhone SE2? iPhone SE2, most likely, will not be able to charge wirelessly. Judging by the contents of the Bloomberg report, no changes in the design or internal structure of the iPhone SE2, in any case, regarding the data that we had at our disposal, did not happen. The iPhone 8 case will be taken as the basis for the future smartphone, and the iPhone 11 will partially share the new product with the hardware. The iPhone SE2 will be based on the A13 Bionic processor, 3 GB of RAM and Apple's own proprietary graphic coprocessor. The camera will remain single, but the battery capacity is likely to increase, but it is unlikely that the increase will be noticeable. The main goal that Apple sets for itself is to reduce the cost of manufacturing iPhone SE2 as much as possible. That is why it was decided to take an inexpensive case from iPhone SE2, which does not require the installation of additional cameras and Face ID. Touch ID will play the role of a biometric sensor. However, the restrictions do not end there. To further reduce the cost of the smartphone, Apple will deprive it of 3D touch sensors, which are responsible for recognizing the force of clicks. It will be replaced by the haptic touch software interface. It is possible that against the background of a total reduction in price, the induction module providing wireless charging will also disappear from the iPhone SE2 design. But then such a device will cost more than affordable, especially against the background of current flagships, $399 for the basic configuration. It is claimed that it will carry 64 GB of internal memory, and the top, 128 or 256 GB. Perhaps this will not seem enough to someone, but do not forget that, firstly, this is still a budget smartphone, and secondly, Apple has its own cloud service, access to which is provided for quite sane money.